composing component. Okay, component refers to other components in their output. Okay, components refers to other component in their output. Okay, then these composing components lets us reuse the component. Okay, if you want to reuse the component, then use the composing component. Okay, composing components lets us use the same component abstraction for any level of detail. Okay, this tells us how to use reuse component. Okay, build one component and reuse that component with different data, then this is known as composing component. Okay, if you build one component and then reuse that component with different data, then they are known as composing component. Okay, composing component let us to reuse that component, okay, in a various places with different data. Okay, let's see the example of composing component. Okay, here first create a function, okay, student. Okay, then return h1 hello guys. Okay, this is the first, this is the function student that return hello guys. Okay, then create this is the student, this is student function. Okay, then another function that is if. Okay, it may be considered as a component. Okay, here this function app, this function app return deep, that is student. This is reuse, we create a student component here and then reuse two times. Okay, here student. Okay, then deep close. This is the composing component. Okay, this is the use of reuse of composing component, so that we can use two times here. Okay, then semicolon. Okay, then we call the render method. Okay, for the rendering to your to the browser. Okay, here we call react dom.render method. Okay, that returns that calls the student. Okay, then document.get element id root in the index.html file. Okay, let's do the practical about the composing component, so that it is clear to you all. Okay, let's go, let's open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, open your Visual Studio Code, then open student.js file, then index.js file, then index.html file. Okay, then go to your src folder, then open index app.js file also. Okay, app.js, make this clear. Okay, then save this file. Now first go to your student.js file, then create a student component. Okay, first import react. Okay, then create a function. Here I use imr to import react from react. Okay, this is the short form to import react from react. This is done with the help of one extension that I have already installed in my Visual Studio Code, that is ES7. Okay, with the help of this we can shortcut. Okay, so first to import modules name from module. Okay, imp. Okay, imr. To import react from react, I use imr. Okay, this is a prefix. Okay, this is a shortcut to import react from react. Okay, if you command imrd, then these extensions import react dom from react dom. Okay, this is the helpful shortcuts. Okay, so that it is easy for us. So install this ES7 React Redux graphical, then React Native snips. Okay, so that it is easy for us. Then create a function component. Okay, function function student, S capital. here I create the general function. Okay, then now I start a arrow function. Okay, arrow function, then return h1. Okay, then save this file. Okay, okay, for export this. Okay, export default, so that we'll import that. Okay, okay, then semicolon. Okay, then save this file. Okay, then go to your app.js. Okay, then import imr to import react from react. Okay, then import student from current module student. Yes, student. Okay, then create a one arrow function. Okay, if function. Okay, there must be gap. Then return what? Student component. Okay, yes, capital. Okay, student. Okay, then after that, okay, export default what if, so that we will import that. Okay, then go to your index.html, index.js. Okay, index.js, then okay, import react from react dom, then import react also, mr import react, then import if from current directory app. Okay, then save this file. Okay, after that react dom render method. Okay, react dom dot render self closing. Okay, then comma document dot get capital element by id, then root. Okay, then here semicolon. Okay, and then open extension, go to this file, then one index.js. Okay, here we render this all this file in the id root. Okay, then save this all file. Okay, control s, then control s. Okay, then control s, then control s. Okay, then go to your view, open your terminal, then npm start to start your server. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, then it will open in the browser. Okay, nothing was written from a render, that is usually missing, nothing to null. Okay, here must be mistake. Okay, some mistake. And student.js. Okay, student.js. Okay, from then default id root. Okay, here we must be use proofs. Okay, I have done a mistake here. Okay, I have this function part. Okay, remove that part. Okay, so that we will use arrow function here. Okay, then control s. Okay, if you save this file, then open your browser. Okay, then you will get here student was not defined. Okay, so I have used here as small but export as capital, then I have that problem. Okay, so make this as capital. Okay, so that you will get the output. Okay, go to your inspect. Okay, then if you open your body, then if you open this render. Okay, then you will get here another div. Okay, that has h1 hello guys. Okay, then if you can pass any props. Okay, here. Okay, for that first create of props here in the student. Okay, oh, I have to use a composing component, so that I have to create a one file. Okay, same component. Okay, student. Okay, so that it will show two component with the same name. Okay, we reuse that this component to make that component. Okay, here in the body part. Okay, if you open your root, then you will get here two times. Okay, this is the effect of composing component. Okay, here, then now you can pass a props here. Okay, you can pass any name lucky. Okay, control s. Okay, you can pass any attributes here. Okay, I have passed name lucky. Okay, then in the student.js. Okay, you have, if you give any attributes to the component in the app.js, then you have to give props here. Okay, props here, because this student is a child component of this app.js. Okay, child component. Okay, so of this app.js parent component. Okay, so we will use here props, and then in place of hello guys, in place of this hello guys. Okay, we use props dot name. Okay, yes. Okay, then go to your browser. Okay, then you will get here result. Okay, hello lucky, welcome to my show. Okay, this is the effect of that attributes. Okay, we have passed in a student component. Okay, then pass another component here. Okay, name, another name. I have passed another name. Okay, that is Harry. Okay, save this file. Okay, then you go to your browser, then you will get Harry. Okay, we use that. This is the application of composing component. Okay, we use that this component to make that component this hello Harry, welcome to my show, this component. Okay, we use different data. Here lucky, here Harry, okay. This is the effect of component, okay. We can build one component and reuse that component with different code or different data, okay. This is the example of this composing component, okay. This is the important of this composing component, okay. Don't forget to save a file, okay, and don't forget to make the component, and that component, same component will be exported, okay. So that will be imported in next file, okay. Here is a scenario, okay. This app.js is a parent component, okay. Here this parent component app is a parent component, okay. Here in the app we use student, that is a child component, okay. So that this render method render both this parent and this parent component as well as this child component, okay. This is all about the composing component, okay.